Weltuntergang oder warum kaufen alle wie verrückt?
Yes, so hi guys, how na dey? Hi guys, happy Sunday guys. How are we doing guys? Yes, so let me quickly drop this one. Sharp one, sharp pally. Might quick drop this one. Let me quick drop this one. Yes, to my people. Some of us, not all. That I always saying, I want to showcase this, showcase that. These guys, don't get it twisted. It's just, a talk of advice and, encouragement to each and every one of us. So that a lot of us will less the quarrel, we less the jealousy. A lot of people jealous of one or two things. Some too, then go they quarrel because of one or two reasons. But all these things now, if we not really still use one kind brain for one place, the whole quarrel go less, the whole jealousy go less. Now, P-Square sing and say nobody ugly, everybody fine. No man, not reason. Anybody where they think saying a lie because he too fine, a husband too fine, children too fine. I make it one showcase there. I laugh with Japanese English. Nobody ugly for real. Before them they say people not true, people really ugly because of one reason or the other. But later when that boy, I be man, if P-Square sing that music, me can't realize saying a lie. Not be everybody ugly. I mean, nobody really ugly. You understand? No matter what thing, everybody find in her own way, in his own way. Forget that thing. If you dress, don't forget to talk for one of my videos. If you dress, you bockish, you're fine. You dress, you make up. You dress, they take off yourself, your skin, you go fine. Forget that thing, say they say person ugly and lie. Nobody ugly, you understand? What will be my point for all this talk? Be saying, sometimes person will just destroy, they go for social media, they see many things. This one, they quarrel with this one, that one, they quarrel with this one. Why this one go see they encourage person, this one, they encourage many things. But guess what kind of thing where you would like to say no? You must want to shoot mouth put to see, not be say maybe you hate anybody or you dislike anyone, but to see advice each and every one of, them, say forget all this thing knowledge to quarrel, but you two way they do it like this, make you still take it easy. What am I trying to say? I don't insult some of us, when I see they wabi agbe then evil, or I will to agbe man. Una understand? When I see they take and slow and steady. Dear, Yoruba say dear, when I see they can easy. Let me use that word, say nobody ugly. Everybody fine in his own way, in our own way. You get why? You understand? Okay, this one go come and go say one showcase your lifestyle, one showcase your wife, your husband, your children in this one. Now good thing, now they give you joy, but when I see take and easy, now we have better he want. When I see take and small. Of course, if every man want to leave, every woman want to show their husband, they want to show their boyfriend or show their children. Of course, everybody can do it. But because of one thing or the other, you say, no, why they disturb them, or why they tell people, say, they're too much, they're too fine, they're too this, they're too that. I mean, they talk and say, who gets, who fine, on they talk, who gets money, they talk. Now, who not get, go they make noise. Now, not too fine after makeup, go they make noise into fine. Who fine? Really, natural one. They're full village for Nigeria, some of them, most of them. They're full Africa, natural one. I will make up, nothing. They don't go even do hair. Their hair now, your natural, they'll weave and go back, or they'll pack and cuckoo. But you can't see beauty. Then there's some they boy, ya wabu. Ya we not tell what I'm me boya jiko. Who be the real fine one who really get the money plus who really fine. They not even see matter they talk because your bliss all those ones who don't want to talk. Now wasting of time or they treat them. If they find or whatever, maybe person they accolade them, maybe person they give their accolade, they say yes, kudos to bless you, to name you, to find all those kind of things. You understand? So when I just stop the bullying of each other, some of our people, I don't want to really call names, but I need to shoot my mouth for this matter. You get why I shoot my mouth put? I shoot my mouth put because the thing wants it too much. Alright, to Agberima. Emi na itu agbarua o. Get equal bugbo ngomarua o. It too much evil person. We blind. We can't even see the dirty. Say this thing no. You know saying blood, but this dirty they see her. It's too much. You know, many of our people, I want to showcase my husband, I want to showcase my children, I want to showcase this, I want to showcase that one. Now my lifestyle, what I like. We know say what you like, but take it easy, dear. Yoruba say dear, take it easy. Calm down, calm me down. Now you're doing too much, say maybe fine. Now your lifestyle, now your house, now you they pay your internet, now you they do this one. But for God's sake, sometimes 1,000, 2,000, even 2,000 plus are watching you. For your mind, then everybody go say yes, they really like what you they do. No, my dear. Someone will call you, tell you, say, come, what you they do, so not be bad thing. But then, all this kind of showcase, you go see they pain some people see they jealous. For example, especially those who will not get husband, they showcase your husband every time. So they showcase the husband, they twerk, they tell us, oh yeah, can you for live video. I mean, I don't understand. Sometimes even shouldn't go even there around there. Children nowadays, they open Facebook, all of everything, even YouTube, especially YouTube. And YouTube, they say YouTube, they do all these things for YouTube. I don't understand. Now advice, so I don't dislike anybody. Now advice, you be my sister, that one and my sister, everybody and my sister. Now advice, the truth is very bitter. Let me use that, sing just to say, nobody ugly. My phone and my children don't carry on for you to play that music. Everybody fine, my dear. Forget that thing. Everybody fine. You get one get we say sing one say they call even this girl what here Anthony we sing where they dance Benin where they sing Benin sing. She they art film. Everybody know Anthony that year now. When I go find she they use the mat say they talk. When I go find old film, if I even watch the old film, I even see her now know say the difference is clear. The truth is very bitter. If I go find old film that year, sometimes I not go even hungry me you watch her. Oh yes, zene me fair like I don't know how to describe her. Sorry, my sister, Atinia, I know it. You they give example, illustration. You understand? And so me still be surprised that time when they first know me. Me know you're still even, you know, I don't even see day like this. Maybe that things can see change. It's like that. A lot of people. Well, I'm your I know yes, Zen is not yes, she even sing down, can't even they talk and say they can't even they call her witch. What Zen? See the way you all look like, the way they clean, the way you take day. As Zen, and they call herself because she was really looking up cats. But when money don't come, money don't they show go see Atinena. She be one of the best fine gay. They UK that they fine. You understand? Good color with her stature too. You know. Can't dress, makeup with one of those things. She can't bockish. So nobody ugly. You understand? They talk, this one they talk. They could say, na so him be, na so him not be, na so they shake your husband, his children, his sister, or this, or Igbo. Yes, you can do it, my dear sister. The truth is very bitter, not always. It is not what you have to be doing every time, every day. Maybe you and your husband will showcase on yourself. Me, I don't understand. You say they work. Which time one country they sleep, say they work. I don't they guess you know. If not be say the other person we come they talk to you, this one going you and your husband where I wash. That make me want to talk put. I wish you know even this going, but nobody's going. You're still lock up. But here where I don't invite I go and no get as ever our dollar. If third person reach there, you see try to settle them, make peace. Now make me they try to make peace for this matter. I believe someone who don't settle, I don't know. But me want to talk my own for inside before I settle, or rather, even after I don't see settle. It's too much, my sister, my dear sister. Nobody not get me. Tell me I shock you. May I shock you, my dear sister? Let me shock you. For your mind, you say some people not true, not single mother, they not girls, but not be me cause when you be single mother. I watch one of your videos, they talk. Now me cause say una some of una be single mother. Not be me cause more. Everybody get your own lifestyle to live. Now understand me. More not verse I talk all those kind of things. Not be me cause I must hear you like be. Now what you still want. Enough it they say no girls about those kind of things. My dear sister, not be their fault. Most of them say they not girls man. And what I want shock you for be say. Not true, some not girls, man, but may I bust your bum. They're not girls, but not me say they don't get man where they your boy at on where they see the mulia, no be mula, no be wiya, no be your bokanya, or where they do them, where they do vaga, then let me talk for English. Who not girls, man, not me say because I know girls might be single mother, you not get man where they do vaga, or man where see the tosha, or when you need them, man where you go see say, okay, make they see day. My dear, if then they tell you like that, those single mother, most of them they tell you say a lie, and they not girls, but they not get anybody where they touch them. Then they fool you. Believe them. That's how you go believe. That's how you go believe in God go that kid don't come. Not believe them, most of them, except say get one video I see was some days ago. Except say maybe an imam, maybe mark on the prison or he mark on the deport or rather he travel, those kind of things. Someone then go they wait. Some why some go say they don't care whether they deport or he travel, if they prison, they don't fit stay. They want to go do something like that. So different, everybody with different way. And you understand? Sometimes they go see criticize those people, say why they will be like that. My dear people, you know, feel not be fine. I would say it's not a really good thing, but you will not feel classified Tina and Joy together, never. Can't you see the way they look like? Tina and Joy can never look alike. They will get different face, different shape, different color, different. Now, so you see, be different mindset. This one, your feel your day 6 years, go the way for your husband. Anywhere your husband call you, say come meet her. Some go date 3 months, they don't go even fit stay. Now, so it be. So that will be my topic. That will be my topic for next time. But I just add down to the issue because of some reasons. So my reasons is because of say these people I say that they require this go on themselves. Mona stop, Mona just take her easy. Mona calm down, be calming down. Why you go wawa dollar but the other person too, always to be my sister, okay, to be man. Okay, I'm showcasing my lifestyle, showcasing my husband, showcasing my children, showcasing my name. Everybody get children. Everybody get husband too. Who no girls must say the man never marry. They get who they totori then are the truth. And what I want to know, don't get it twisted. Don't you know my way? Yeah, want the okay, no. Most of them are loud, black like they get who they touch. They don't go do. They don't agree talking. Yeah, me kwe. Then get who they do. That's what I say for me. So I say they don't they drag your own husband for you. You don't need to be doing all those show off every day like you want to do until they pay one person. No. Don't do it. Of course, show your mind if you want to, but once in a while. Don't let it be every time. If they see, for example, Christmas Day, or when there's a party, say that party all of you just see day with children, or rather, you just see day based on saying, okay, oh, for example, now February waiting with day, I think now February waiting, I don't forget now February 15, Valentine's Day, I'll be February 14. Yeah, February 14, Valentine's Day. If you just show your mom, because on Lovers Day, that one day different. Or na Christmas Day, family things. Or on a day party, all those kind of things. Or na want do birthday for na picking or yourself or your mom want to hey, small like that. Not be the one where every day if you person come out for social media, you must 3 or 5 times when you come out for social media, your husband goes there. I don't understand. And your husband, you know, concern me, but he can't go concern me because of say what you will see for social media. Based on say that one we consider talk. That one too, she still make a lot of sense the way she still talk to you back. For real, one time I went night time. For me, I not join anybody. All of them are my sister. You understand me? But the truth, the truth you talk. Because if you don't talk, you go get a seat big, like say the pepper person for body or if they do person and somehow, you just still talk. You understand my sister, my dear. Not be every day you they do all those kind of things. Fine, you they come out, they do every day if you want to do. I don't say I'm not even go tell you when you go do. But please, not be every day they show your husband, they show your children. No. The other person they talk that the one person see they Jamie. Say they saying they show your husband, they show your children, they do this and blah blah blah. You understand? People still bully down one weller. You understand? To the extent now she not able to one they show down. Not say she not they show her. That one go do you go see do you. But if she want show her, they want her to get that she can't enter one where they can't open one family page. Either you open family page or no family page. Not be every day you and your husband will come and they talk after now talk finish. They won't take the behave for live video. You can't be like so take the pepper. Some people not get not good. When you go to look your video now, my dear. Look your video now. The truth is very bitter. But you know they watch your video. So after you always some kind of thing where be say they provoking. When me go they look and say don't say this one safe. Or we a what do this one the husband has. All those one compass. Now you the way you continue they dance, they twerk. They twerk. They hold your husband. They tell her say can you say na phone. Na phone I dey get na my husband not concern anybody. My dear concern people viewers where they watch her. It concern people be 1,000 view, 2,000 view, yes. Because now one inside there they will come tell you say come. Most of them go right down. No, they really love stars, everything for you. Continue. Why some go come carry you sit down or do video for you? They will say they not fit call you. They go do video for you and say it's too much, my dear. No reason I say nobody get husband or now you want get husband, now you want the twerk or now you want the kind you. Everybody they kind you, even if the man never marry her. Not just get them twisted. That is the truth. You understand? So, na very short one. I don't want to take too much for this video. Maybe I'll come back again to come see talk about something else. But meanwhile, I just want, you know, to really talk about this, you know, because of reasons and because of say wait till they work out for social media. Sometimes you need to put your mouth. Based on say we already they, you know, they like motivate or advise each other, encourage each other. Me, I'm not talking say I perfect. Now if you still advise me, if I see look at the way they advise me, I go say tell you, say, sister, thank you, brother, thank you. You are very right here. You understand? I mean, if I talk and say even children when you born with person born, go feel advise you. Go say, mama, no, you are making a mistake here. True, you feel the grumble, they say, I bet they go, you will be my picking, and you want to tell me, say, not green. But sometimes when you sit down, sleep, think and say, see what you're picking to say, not green, and you come to realize, say, not green, you will shock. Meaning, as you shock, now you can't even they talk, say, now what my picking, they right too. The next day or so, if not they talk, now you can't use shame to tell and say, I'm surprised that you get really right yesterday. You know, I really thought about it. I was thinking of a lot of things while I was sleeping. I realized that, you know, you were right. You understand? What does that mean? Simply means she think like advice or see, you know, she tell you, say, mommy, like this and like this, not be like this, not be like this. You know, me, that is why they say no one is perfect. And that is why my name is called No One is Perfect. You understand? That is my AKA name. So that is it. Social media is not nice. You understand? Everybody girls, man. Everybody get children. Not be every time to showcase them. No, not today, right? Do it when the time really come or when it's really time. You understand? Get some people not like when we see the Jamie, not they come out with your husband every time. But maybe then get with it, they want to see talk. They want to see motivate people. Get with it, they want to talk. That one can see shook man put. That one self even they shame the way they do. Normally, man supposed to be shame for videos, say they come out with their wife every day. Yes. Now only we will be woman, but they shook our wife put every day. Man said they shame, I beg. Like me, my man is shame for all those one. Understand? They shame, go say I beg, you don't need all those one. You understand? A lot of people, a lot of women they talk and they say their man not be say not they okay, not fine. You understand? I be say not they okay, say not fine. But you don't need all these things. I beg, mona carry a woman with una wala, mona carry on a life to go that side. Not so many, they talk many out of 100. For you go see 5, 10 where they really follow your wife, they come out, they hard. Say get one guy say they Jamie before, now she don't date Ali. I don't want to call him. You don't me see one of their picture for Facebook, me I shock. His husband, very fine boy. The boy too, the man too cute, too fine. But she they do live video every day. They talk. They say buy this one for me. Do this one. Do that. She never. She not the show. For where she not the show. What are they try to talk? No, they think say maybe now your man fine pass or night cute pass or night do this one pass. No. I said the fine one. They not they talk. Who get money not go talk. Now you will go see and say this guy get money. This woman get money. Now you will they talk and say oh Bob I greet you. You get. You go say okay thank you I hear. You not go even make noise. That's why you go talk and rich. As you tell me, say, I get money, so I do okay, I do this one. You say, okay, thank you. That's why you go talk and rich. You not go follow, you can't make noise. Not true, you don't say I get money, you don't say I be this, you don't say I be that. For where? Who really get money better, genuine money, when be say, yes, it is loaded. No noise, make a noise for real. Who still fine, natural fine for real. You not go even they talk and they go, they make noise. Now you go see and say, this girl, you too fine. This boy, you too cute. If you tell her, then you go to say, okay, really, wow, thank you. I'm honored. I'm flattered. You are flattering me. You tell us, I beg one of they flatter you too fine. You don't know say you too fine. You understand? You may not see a social media can was see me. You may so big wa woman here. Eh? Social media want cause madness for a lot of people, but especially our Nigeria people. Or you both they use this thing for for a long time when the thing come out, you know, they make noise like that too much. Sorry, some of them don't they make noise. But Nigeria people, I pray or kaigbe, and they be for inside. Shema, and they be for inside. Noise makers. They make noise, they make nobody not get children, nobody not get husband, nobody not get wife. You want to showcase them, do it when it's necessary. Do it once in a while. That is my point. I don't dislike anybody. I'm not against anybody. But me, I get my own children too. I get my own man too. Cannot be coming in live video every time. Like I said, they talk so as it's okay. Baby can't talk put every time like that. No. Or my children, Mona say, me they even they drive my children. If I want to live with the Mona, they go. Except say we are the kitchen or parlor when they always they play. I go just say okay. Small noise go see show. Mona not get and twisted. Mona not vex all those kind of things. I don't understand. Kind noise the person they hear these days. Kind quarrel, unnecessary thing. They cause quarrel for people body because of just this kind waiting that they call them. Like video of 18. I don't understand. They see me. People see me, as I dress, as I they do this one, as I they do that one. Yeah, you're tired. The whole thing or the whole cyber this thing for social media, you just come sometimes go you're tired, person go they with the verse. You nearly even remove yourself from Facebook, delete yourself. Most times it's entertaining, but sometimes it's really not encouraging. I mean, sometimes it look, how am I going to put it? It look annoying. When you come out for live video, pack your children, come out, pack your husband, come out, especially your husband. Now you come out, they twerk for in front of live video. Come on, that for me, wow, he love you, work on you too much show, can you, oh yeah, baba yo, oh yeah, fear yo, twerky. I know say fine a joke, but not be everybody will take that joke. Sometimes that joke is too expensive in front of children, in front of the whole wide world. This thing, I don't understand. So show me life. You did life, people they watch you 1,000, 2,000. They watch you. Can you? Now today they can you. Now they do that one if inside room privately or yeah, they shout for them, they scream. That one are normal. If you want done with your husband, say your children don't sleep. You want done with your mind, your children don't sleep. If you scream, even if you scream in the midnight so they can't even wake up, you sit there, so you're gonna sleep again. Sorry, na dream. It mean I know make I scream. Of the live video now they do not play, they joke, but my dear, not be everybody they take that joke. A lot of people will get it twisted and say, which kind of joke be this one? Now let this one girls man. I don't understand. Cute men, they fool everybody, some they don't they come at. Cute one. I know what's it cute, I know what's in your husband. We fine. God. I know my way fine. They don't they make noise at all. Down themselves, also we fine. Now then they shame set to come and say, I beg, no. I don't need this, I beg. Not then. Now those are not too fine or we're not too bockish. Now they drag their head, drag their body, come out, yes, see me, oh, I too much, oh. Now me be this, now me be that, oh. Now me they take off my home, they take off my wife, oh. Now yeah, they put my money, oh, all those blah, blah, blah. Now blah, 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 I call them. Who ask you? Who say me you can't feed them? Nobody say me you can't feed them or take care of her. Of course, now your wife, you have to take care of your wife. You guys have to take care of yourself. Wait, see, yeah, wait, no, tell what I mute boy, Jiko. Who want really talk true? He go, he no go come out, or he go they difficult to come out or to hear. You're tired. The old thing sometimes go, you're disgusting. Go guy be. Oh noise, noise. Here and then nobody they hear what they give. Because of some people, I don't understand them. Be my your home. Be your home. A lot. Now so life you need like in here. Yes, we know. Now what you like now your life, but once you show your family every day, show your husband, show your children, show your this, show your that every day. Of course, now your children and your family, you can do it, but not every time. That is my point. Not every time, not every day. You understand? Not every day, not every time. That is what I'm against, or that is what I don't really, sorry guys, I don't really buy that idea. I beg my people, some of my people will not be home. Mona look here. Mona see they pull small. Sometimes Mona see they pull some kind, respect for things. Because the way the things they big guy be. Mona see they put some kind of respect for the thing. You come out with the shot. Now my life. This is my showcasing lifestyle. This is my husband, my children, my this, my that. Nobody ask you. Nobody will not get man. Who not girls man must get boyfriend. Who not get boyfriend go still get the one with the kind yo. And you was saying so me just nourish. Anyone where they tell you say na lie no level, you don't get anybody. You be single mother, na lie that they deceive you, most of them. Now only few, very few. Now they talk the truth. 80% na lie. They get person, they go here, they deceive, say, oh, you want done, yeah. I they were marrying. I pray. I pray. Some girl, they're not really girls, but they're girl they can you, who they don't know. They get so what I try to talk. I know they against those people, but I'm trying to prove a point. Say the one that they showcase on husband, they do all those kind of things, like say person who no girls or who be single mother, not can't get who they can you or who they touch her or who they do this one. Now you can do like that, they prepare and like say, okay, see me, I guess man, you not get a bear. All those kind of things, I go for you. I beg and can you do this one for live video again? I don't understand. Me, I see all these things. I don't want to talk. You don't tell me they see and say this thing want too much, but I just lock up because I also say, I'll be everything they talk put. But that way, based on that person content they talk to you, they just go on you. When I come, they get quarrel. Of course, everybody go talk put because now two people don't they get quarrel now. People who can't talk put or come they say really this matter the way they say I be say I not be. See what this one supposed to do. See what not supposed to do. Yes, my dear, it's too much. Better if what take easy, calm down, be calming down. Man, I hate your wife so or you try begging man. Allah will go waiting. At the end of the day, now they'll come they say some children at the age of 10, 15, they don't do vaga one or two things because of all this thing they see for their mama present. Or their papa present, you they live video, they bend your ways, they say only kind you. Now joke, I know, but sometimes some joke is too expensive. Now I don't understand. Children are there, they are seeing it. Or rather, social media, everybody will come and see it. Children, they enter Facebook, YouTube, they enter Wella. You understand? My children, they use YouTube, they play. All these things now, when they forward all the video, enter YouTube. Like, man, if I do any video, don't like this one, I don't have video. If you just take carry and go YouTube, man, unless you don't go, sometimes you don't want to go. I just leave for Facebook. That's the way it be. But go, I don't understand some of you now. So you guys should not get it twisted. I'm not angry with anybody. I'm just here to encourage and advise some of us, some of our ladies, because the way things they beat, or you have to say that they get the upper hand and they get everyone at it. Who get on the talk? Who find on the talk? Now every day they talk, who get it? No go talk. He go want bo. He go want all those coins now they go they talk bo. Go they make no future we for grand baka bo gang. Go make no they'll go here for train station because na coins. But in money go they load debt for your body for the if you hold for your tithe or wherever. If you get 5,000 euro or 10,000 euro, nobody go know if you not talk. For real, you cross your leg, they follow they sip cafe there or wine. Nobody go know whether you get them. You not go even fall. But maybe coins, get I don't first talk. Get only 50 or 100 euro coins. Whether that your purse you feel carry and go they heavy. Okuta, enyano. People go they ask you, we are muna, ekbe ma yo koknya we yahu. What you carry? Now you they confess, they say they tell they say see on our coins, on our money. Even if you never sit there, they go see no. If you sit down with them, say, what you carry away, be say they heavy you now. Wow, they go use anti-filler. They go no. What be the meaning of that one? Coins. What you not get? Who not get? They make noise. Then you go to see the action. You go show people who see. But who get? You know who see there. You know who notice there. Now lie. Girls, when I get this, I get that. What a lot. Do I see a zone? Maka degeni yak bera ne bet ma wa lock up woman bet me no you do see zone wife na we ya eke na gwan yo igba wa we settle ne bet e ba me obioni e ba me oboni me ya gwan yo no dem ate gwan e ma metin na wa we dey busy you know and na me wa me obo we ni say give it gwan yo igba one day you come across the video and I guess you will still learn. Don't be everything they showcase because who you want Pepe fine for your mind, you don't Pepe anybody, but some people will get it twisted. That is my point. A lot of people get it twisted and say, this one they prepare me so. Where they show you every day, they show you every day. They do twerking. They say, can you for front of camera for live video. They will get and twisted. The truth is bitter. They say, you swear, that you come and carry Bible, swear. Real swear, not be all those kind of yes swear. Real swear. And that Bible or any cause say swear. Since when they do all those things, whether people never call you advice, you say, me stop. You know if you swear because people, real people, we see they follow you, we see mature. They must still don't tell you say, come stop. When they do all those things when it's for front of live video again. Ah, yes, you will block them, say, sister, I be too like you. What they tell me, so I beg they go. You not like me, I be happy. Must you, is that one that go give you happiness? Of course, you will happy without the live video. Back of the screen, you can do it with your man, with your husband, or whatever. Not be live video, they twerk. Me, I twerk for you now. Can you, why swag and what door? Can you, oh, shy day, according to Gemma. Now, what for now? I beg. Make I end my live video. I don't see talk this one. I want to talk. Because now since yesterday I want to talk this one. No chance. Off my kids. I was busy. My daughter was making her hair and so on and so forth. Cleaning and all those stuff. So I know say no pass today. So now so it be my people. Thank you guys for watching. You guys should not get it twisted. I just speak my mind because everybody get view for a lot of things or things for life, So but I guess say anybody will come across this video, you go see realize saying later I talk. Most of them, 90%, 99% is true what I'm saying. You understand? So that is it. So bye my people. Thanks for watching. See you all again and again. Maybe later tomorrow because I have a video to still drop again. Okay, people? Alright, people. Bye. And help me to like and always share the video. Those people that are following me, I really appreciate you. A big kiss to you guys. God bless you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. And those one that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for, guys? Please help your lady, help your sister. Let's help each other. Let's encourage each other. I mean, it will not remove anything from you. Don't take anything away from you. You're just doing it out of love. It don't mean anything. You're not going to remove your data. You're not going to increase to your network. You're not go. Nothing. It's like, you're supposed to know. Like, press as I talk, someone they press like, put finish. You not remove anything for your body. So please, guys, go and subscribe to Lady B, who is perfect. Thank you, and bye-bye. And please, your comments will be appreciated also. And share the video also and like. Thanks. Bye.